Welcome everybody to this tutorial video. In this video we show you how to fix this problem or these problems that you have on your Hoichoi app. So go directly guys, open your settings of your phone, click on apps option, and right now search for Hoichoi and click. Right now you will find this list of options. Open storage, click clear cache only and back. Click on force stop, click here OK. Open your battery, make it on optimized mode. Right now guys, you have to turn on your airplane mode and turn off it. After this, go to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone, and right now search for Hoichoi and you need to update it. And after this, restart your phone after the update and your problems will be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another tutorial.